Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply create an account or register into your Telemundo app? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android device. Simply go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, search for Telemundo and make sure that you've downloaded and installed it. Now simply go ahead and tap on this application, and once you've downloaded it, simply tap on open, and it's going to go ahead and open right over here. Now from here, all you want to do is on the top right hand side of your screen, there's going to be a little person icon. Simply go ahead and tap on that, and now to register, simply tap on this button that says registrarse. So this is going to be on Spanish, obviously, so simply go ahead and tap on that, and now this is where you can create your account with email, with Google or Apple. So tap on the first one which says Crea tu perfil con email. So tap on that, and now enter your number, your name, your gender, your postal code, your email, and your password that you want to create, and simply go ahead and tap on this check mark right over here and tap on Crea perfil, which means create. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.